Okay, hello. Hello there.
Hello, teacher.
Hello.
Teacher.
Okay, so are you ready today? Are you ready?
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, okay. Before that, what is your name?
Your name.
What is your name?
I am Simon.
Okay, again. Again.
Cho tao lên con. What is your name? What is your monkey? Alan Monty.
Okay. So my name
Monkey
is
là con này hả?
Okay, so my name is Teacher Kai. Okay. Okay. Hello. My name is
My name.
Teacher Kai. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Okay. So, do you know what is this?
This monkey. This the monkey.
Wow, that is a monkey. Monkey, monkey, monkey. Do you know what is a monkey? Did you see a monkey?
Đây là câu hỏi con có biết khủng không? Mình biết hỏi không? Biết. Yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
Page
yeah.
44.
Okay, so let's have this one. Monkey.
Hi, I'm a merry monkey.
Okay, again, what is this? This is
Monkey.
monkey. One more time. Monkey.
Monkey.
Okay, monkey.
Monkey.
Is the M sound. This is the letter M.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, do you know how to draw M? Do you know how to draw M?
Con biết chữ em không? Yes. Yes.
Okay, can you write here M?
Con có biết được chữ em không? Yeah.
Okay, please write M. M. Write letter M.
Con biết là biết chữ M, biết chữ em. Yeah.
Okay. Hello, Miss. Can he draw M? Do you know how to use draw? Do you know how to use pen?
Yeah. Đâu nó có thể biết chữ M. Có thể. Con biết đi, con biết lên luôn.
Hello, Miss. I chat in the chat box. Do you know how to use pen?
Yes, lên luôn này. Rồi, con biết chữ. Con biết đi. Đâu, biết được. Bút. Con biết đi.
Okay, so that's it. Okay, that is
1,
M. Okay, can you draw it again? Can you draw it again? One more time.
2, 3, 4.
One more time.
Yes,
One,
yes. Yeah.
2, 3, 4. Okay. Your turn. Okay, so that is, can you say it? Mm.
Em.
Monkey. Mm.
Monkey. Người vậy đọc em. Monkey.
Say it with teacher Kai. Mm. Mm. Monkey.
Monkey.
Okay, very good. That's it. Monkey.
1, 2, 3,
Okay, so now let's draw small m. 1, 2,
Viết hết
3.
đi. Em ơi.
Now your turn.
Viết bàn tay là em.
1, 2, 3.
Viết trong toàn học đó. Đúng không?
Okay, this is great.
What?
Uh,
What? Ông cháu.
okay, so let's draw big M, and then small m. Can you draw big M and small m?
Small M.
Okay. Oh, 20 lines. Okay, try again for the small m. Try again for small m.
Small. Big M. Big M nữa. Big tiếng Anh
Okay.
này.
Okay, so this is correct. Okay. Very good. Now you know what is big M and small m. Okay. Where is the big M? Where is the big M? Can you circle? Where is the big M?
Trên của không hai Big M. Hai Big M nữa.
Where is the big? Very good. That is correct. That is big M. How about the small m?
Small M. Monkey.
Yes. Oh, where's the small m?
Small M. Circle khoanh tròn. Khoanh tròn small M.
Circle the small m.
Khoanh mình đến đây thôi. Khoanh mình chỉ.
Oh, no. Okay, that is the small m. Very good. Now, let's
Đây.
this one.
Nè.
Can you repeat with teacher Kai?
Monkey.
Okay, this one. Milk.
Milk.
Very good. One more time. Milk.
Milk.
Okay, this one. Money.
Money.
Okay, one more time.
Money.
Okay, how about this one? Do you know what is this? Mouse.
Mouse.
Okay.
Mouse.
Very good, mouse. Okay, now help teacher Kai. Where is the milk?
The milk. Circle. Milk.
Where is the milk? Okay, very good. How about money? Money.
At the end.
Oh, wow. How about mouse?
Mouse.
Okay. How about monkey?
Monkey.
Okay. Now, how about where is mommy? Where is mommy? Mommy, mom.
Mom.
Where is your mom? Where is your mom? Is that your mom?
Monkey. Mama, mẹ ba.
Mama. Where is your mama? Mama, where is mama? Can you point? Where is mama?
Dạ, cái gì? Nia, cái gì? Nia.
Okay. Now, can you tell Teacher Kai again, what is this?
What is hello.
What is this?
This is mouse. Mouse.
Okay, one more time. Mouse.
Mouse.
Okay. This one,
Đây.
what is this?
Money. Money.
Okay, money. One more time. One more time.
Money.
Okay, very good. This one,
Milk.
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 Okay, this one,
Monkey.
monkey. Very good. Now, can you draw the big M? Can you draw the big M? Draw here. Draw the big M.
Big M.
Draw the big M.
Big 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 M. Big M. No.
Okay, one more time. M.
đâu? Em đâu? Lúc nãy học biết em đâu? Đây, biết đi. Ở đây à? Biết. Biết chữ bờ hai nào.
Draw the big M. Okay, that's it. That is the big M. Very good. Now, how about small M?
Con em. Biết đi.
Small M.
Ờ.
Very
Em không có
good. That is small M. Okay, before we go to the next page, what is this again? What is this?
ếch. Mình gì?
Okay, one more
Money.
time.
Money.
Money. One more
Money.
time.
Money.
Okay, very good. Okay, let's draw M. Can you draw here the M? Draw M.
Đâu biết thôi. Đúng rồi. Nên một số người ta biết thẳng không? Sao biết con biết từ trên đến dưới?
Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, one more. Last one.
Biết tiếp. Biết hết.
One more. One more.
One more. Biết tiếp.
Okay. Very good. That is. What is this? What is this?
Em. Big M. Em.
Okay, big M. Now let's draw. What is this?
More em.
Okay, small m. Let's draw the small m.
Biết hả?
Okay, one more. One more. Where is your drawing? Oh, it's missing. Okay. Very good. That is, what do you call this one? This is
This,
This is
this,
big.
this,
Big.
cái gì? Cái gì? Cái em.
Big.
Học
Okay, now this one.
small,
Oh,
small đi.
small m.
Nói to lên nào, small em.
Okay, small m. Okay, now can you tell teacher Kai circle where are letter M?
Letter N.
Okay,
Letter N. Cái nào viết bằng em hay đặt
where are the words that start with letter M?
letter N? Từ nào đọc letter M đầu tiên? Đó, khoanh nào, circle là khoanh nhau.
Is this letter M?
Kangaroo lúc nãy mà nói hả? Kangaroo là em hả?
Is this letter M? This is kangaroo. Kangaroo. M
No,
or not?
no, no. Nói to lên.
Oh. Okay, very good. No. How
Ừ.
about this one?
Học đi.
Mouse.
Nào, sẽ có bắt đầu bằng em không?
Okay.
Khoanh vô.
Yes. Okay, very good. Yes. How about this one? This is B. B.
Có bắt đầu bằng em không?
M or not? No. Very good. No. Okay, this one. Okay. No or yes?
Hai tay.
Yes. Okay, very good. This one. What is this? Milk. Okay, very good. M or not? Yes or not? Yes. Okay. This one. What is this? This is? Okay, money. No or yes? Okay, yes. Okay, so let's have this one again. This one, what is this?
What is this? Đọc là cái gì? Nó là cái
This
gì?
is
Tiếng Anh là gì?
money. Okay, this one, monkey. This one, this one,
Mouse.
oh, mouse. Okay, how about this one? What is this? This is B. M or not? Okay, very good. Not. This one, what is this?
Cái gì?
Kangaroo. M or not?
No.
No. Okay. How about this one? Moon. Do you know what is moon? Moon. M or not? Yes. Okay. How about mama?
Biết rồi nào?
Yes, very good. How about this one? Am or not?
No.
No. Okay, this is. Can you read? Do you know how to read? This is Papa. Okay. So let's move on to the next page. Okay, so this is letter
And
N. N, N, N. Can you
no,
say it?
no, 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 no.
Okay. So this is big N.
And
This one is small,
big
small.
small and
Okay, small N. This is nut, nut. Can you say it? Nut. Hello, can you say nut?
yes, 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 yes. Yeah.
Okay.
This
This is nut.
is the N sound. This is the letter N.
1, 2, 3,
Okay, can you do it? Can you draw N? Can you draw N? Can you draw N? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let us see. Okay, very good. That is big. Okay. One more time. Big.
Big and
Okay, very good. Big and.
1, 2,
1, 2,
Okay, now let's draw small n.
small and
Okay, very good. Oh, what happened? One more time. Small n.
không có ấy cái thanh không có mắt lên.
Okay, very good. Can you say small n? Small n. Say it with me. Small n.
Small and
Okay, very good. Now this one, this is nut.
no,
Nut.
no,
Okay, this is net. Net.
nè, nè,
Okay, this one, nest. Nest.
nè, nè,
Okay, this one is nose. Nose.
no, no,
Can you point your nose? Nose. Nose.
no, no,
Okay, where are you? I can see you. Where is your nose?
no, 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 no.
Okay. So again, this one, this is nest.
Nè,
Okay, one more time. What is this?
nè,
Nest.
nè,
Okay, this one.
Nose. Move.
Nose.
No.
Okay, this one. Net.
Meh.
One more time.
Meh.
Okay, this one. Nut.
No.
One more time.
No.
Okay. Where is nest? Where is nest? Circle the nest. Nest. Nut. Nest. This is not. Not. Where is the nest? Nest. Okay. Very good. That's it. How about nose? Nose. Okay. How about nuts? Nuts. Okay. Now lastly, n- net. Net. Very good. That's it. Again, what is this?
Nuts. Nuts.
Oh,
Nuts.
this is nuts. Nuts.
Oh.
This is
Nuts.
nest. Okay, one more time.
Nuts.
Nest. Okay, this one.
No.
Wow, nose. One more time. Nose.
No.
Okay, this one. Net.
Nuts.
Okay, one more time.
Nuts.
Okay, nets.
Nuts.
Okay, before I say goodbye, can you draw big M, big M, monkey, big M.
Big M.
Draw big M.
Big M. Big M là cái gì? Big M là mỡ hoa đó.
Uh, okay, how about big N?
Big M. Big M.
Oh, where is your N?
Cái này mình. Big M này. Từ trên viết từ trên dưới mà từ bờ viết từ trên dưới này.
Big N.
Big M. Rồi Big M. Nhất rồi. Big M từ trên dưới đừng có viết ngược. Từ trên xuống dưới.
Okay, very good. Now how about small N?
Em.
N. Net.
Không
N.
được viết tóc lên nha.
Nets. Okay. How about small M?
Em
M
với lại small
m monkey. Small M.
Rồi. Small em này.
Okay.
Lại
Okay, I see. This is your M.
em.
Okay. So this is all correct. Okay, now I will say goodbye. Nice meeting you.
Bye teacher.
Bye. Okay.
Tại vì trường là
Goodbye. Okay.